Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming the essentials. Make sure your iPhone model supports Esim and that iOS is up to date to avoid compatibility issues. Next, get the carrier Esim QR code or activation details into Reach, or install the carrier app if they provide provisioning that way. Once done, connect to a stable Wi-Fi network and remove any physical SIM if you plan to use only an eSIM. This prevents confusion between profiles when you add the new plan. Now you add the eSIM, open Settings, go to Cellular, and tap Add Cellular Plan. Scan the carrier QR or follow the carrier apps on screen provisioning. You'll see a new plan appear after validation. Once added, label it clearly so you know which is data or voice, then choose your default voice line and cellular data line. Make sure data switching is configured if you want automatic use of either plan, and enable iMessage and FaceTime on the new number so services recognize it. Finish by restarting your iPhone to let the system register the new profile with the carrier. Check for signal bars and the carrier name at the top. If service doesn't appear, rescan the QR or open the carrier app to re-provision. Sometimes activation requires the carrier's backend step. If that still fails, reset network settings as a last resort, but note this removes saved Wi-Fi passwords. Contact carrier support if problems persist, so they can verify the eSIM record on their side.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.